Start your day with the cozy flavors of fall and a protein boost to help keep you fueled throughout the day. These protein pumpkin pancakes are the ideal healthy breakfast filled with a bit more fiber, protein, and a bit less sugar than your typical pancakes. Skip the store-bought mixes and make your fresh and healthy pumpkin pancakes today. Here's how to make them. We'll start with a large bowl to mix our dry ingredients together. Add 2/3 a cup of whole wheat flour. You can use a different flour like spelt or oat flour if you prefer. Add 1/4 a cup of your preferred protein powder. I'm using vanilla flavored whey protein powder, but a pumpkin flavored protein powder works really well here. Add 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice and 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. And finally, a pinch of salt. Mix all of your dry ingredients together and then set the bowl aside for now. We'll need another bowl now to mix our wet ingredients together. Add 1/2 cup of 100% pure pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie mix, as those are loaded with sugar. Crack open and add 2 eggs. Add 1/2 cup of your preferred milk. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond milk here. Add 1 tablespoon maple syrup. If your protein powder isn't sweet enough, I would consider adding a bit more maple syrup to the recipe. And finally, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix all of your wet ingredients together. Grab back your bowl of dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients into it. Mix everything together until everything is smooth and there are no more clumps. Turn a burner on medium-low heat, place a skillet on top, and give it a light spray of oil. Pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons worth of your mixture. You can use more if you like, but the cooking time will increase slightly. Cover with a lid and cook on medium-low for about 4 to 5 minutes. After that, flip it over and let it cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done cooking, remove it from the pan and repeat the cooking process until you're out of your mixture. I ended up with 4 small pancakes with this recipe. This is optional, but if you want, you can garnish your pancakes with a bit of whipped cream on top along with a bit of ground cinnamon. Then you're ready to enjoy your protein pumpkin pancakes. Fresh pumpkin flavored pancakes with a boost in fiber and protein. No need to worry about cheap preservatives, additives, or low-quality filling ingredients found in store-bought mixes. It's a guilt-free breakfast that is sure to keep you full and fueled throughout your day. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.